I feel like as I'm getting older, I really get more in touch with nature.
Hiking or doing outdoor activities just helps you just get away from all that technology because you really need a break from it once in a while.
Being outside in nature really fills your soul.
Everyone knows that getting outside is an easy way to feel better. So with an increasing amount of elderly Canadians living in urban environments and care facilities, it's worth asking, should nature play a bigger role in elder care?
And a lot of our therapeutic gardens design are actually very simple, so that it gives a sense of calmness and an orientation for our seniors to know where they are.
This is Shirley Ling, director of Singapore's HortPark, an urban park that's redefining the elderly's relationship with nature.
So these are plants that have sensory attributes or diverse characteristics or feature that we select for therapeutic gardens, such as a warm color can help to stimulate the mind, but yet we have cool colors to give that kind of calming experience. Certain plants have interesting leaf textures that help to evoke the sense of touch when they brushes through the leaves, and even the scent of the plants or the flowers that they have through the scent of smell. It may even remind them of something like a food that they love to eat or a memory that was from the past.
These sensory stimulators are great for exercising elderly visitors' brains, but visitors can also get their hands dirty by taking part in one of the park's therapeutic horticulture programs.
Now, at the same time, we also give them things like handling of seeds to grow, to sow the seeds in a pot, and such activity helps to improve their motor skills, their hand coordination skills. At the same time, if they get to do something, at the end of it, it gives them a sense of purpose and achievement. And you could just see the smile of their face at the end of it when they have their pot of plant or they have done something that they feel just good to do that.
To help prove that nature is a valid form of therapy, HortPark has been working with researchers since they opened, and the results are impressive.
And we brought in participants to visit our gardens for a period of 6 months. Before each of the sessions, we took certain tests in terms of basic health check. We marked down some data. And after they have undergone about an hour of activity with us at the Therapeutic Gardens, we took another readings again. And over time, we have seen that they have shown significant reduction in anxiety, have improvement in their cognitive functioning, helps in dementia, and also helps to improve depression.
With the garden success, Singapore wants to expand the program, creating 30 more therapeutic gardens within the next 10 years. But the program's influence goes beyond even that.
Now we are looking at beyond just dispensing medicine to seniors. The part of a prescription is what we call a park prescription, whereby the doctors, beyond telling you, make sure you eat your medicine, do drink a lot of water and healthy food, do go out to spend an hour a day in the park, and that's your park prescription.
As therapeutic gardens spring up around Singapore, Shirley says that for her, the success of the program is a simple way the gardens bring people together.
It allows individuals to meet at a common place. And again, just sort of an unstructured way, they start to interact, to mingle and bond, which is something very nice.
We've long been familiar with the restorative power of nature. Places like HortPark are now showing just how real that power is. The great thing is that no matter where we live, we can implement the nature around us into our loved ones' care routine. All we need to do is get outside.